Hello guys, in today's video we'll talk about are wheel spacers actually safe?
For the new BMW 3 Series, installing spacers are a fantastic way to give your BMW a more aggressive look and improve its handling dynamics. By spacing the wheels out, you're reducing the car's roll center and increasing stability. To install, first secure your vehicle and remove the existing wheels. Once that's done, align and attach the wheel spacer onto the wheel hub. Tighten them as per the manufacturer's specs. Then reattach your wheels and ensure they are torqued correctly. If you install them correctly, quality spacer won't cause any problems.
The lightweight class of bonus wheel spacers means that the hollow design is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. Compared with the previous generation products, the weight is reduced by 20%. The reducing unsprung weight helps the vehicle suspension system work more effectively.
The spacers improve handling by widening the vehicle's track width and enhancing stability, especially during high-speed cornering. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
That's all for today's video. If you have any questions about bonus wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.